If you want to excel your skills in color grading but don't have access to some fancy cameras, or you're about to color grade some footage from a newer camera that you haven't had experience with, I'm going to show you some great sites where you can have access to sample footage to work with inside DaVinci. The first site is going to be blackmagicdesign.com/products. So in the products page, you want to make sure that you have professional cameras selected, and we'll just go ahead and choose this Blackmagic Ursa Mini Pro 12K. Go up to Blackmagic RAW, select that, and if we scroll down, we can find some sample clips right here that we can download. Because this is raw footage, do keep in mind that the files are going to be pretty big, a couple gigabytes, if not more, if you are downloading multiple clips. Also, say you want to work with something different, like maybe the Blackmagic Pocket. On the workflow page, now you have access to a couple other things. So like this particular video, go ahead and play that. This is like a little short film that they put together, and you can have access to the original files, and you can see right there it's about 5 gigabytes. On to the next. And the website to get to this is SonyCity.com/test footage. This is for the Sony Venice. They have a better system with this one, so you can actually look for interior, exterior. They have time and day, all the ways that you can filter it, and you can find a clip, download the test, and it's that simple. Now we have RED cameras. So the website to go to is red.com/sample-r3d-files. On this one, you don't really have the ability to narrow down your search, but they do have quite a bit to choose from. Like this one is over 6.5 gigabytes, so they can be very large. Of course, this is 8K footage at 120 frames per second, but there are quite a bit on here and a wide variety. As you can see, there's landscapes, there's wildlife, people, different types of shots. So there's a wide variety here, so you can dip your toes into coloring all different types of footage. Lastly, we have ARRI, or some people may say ARRI, and that website is just arri.com, ARRI.com. Come up to Learn and Help, and right under Camera and Workflow, there is Camera Sample Footage. And this one looks more like a blog. It isn't as great, but if you take time to read, you can see all the details of the footage. And there are quite a bit. One thing I don't really like about their system with this is there's no thumbnails or little clips to give you a hint of what you're going to download, so you do have to actually click on the links, and once you do that, they usually have like a folder or all the other clips, and you can hit show preview. Then you can actually watch what the clip is before you download it. It's a lot more time consuming, but they do have a wide variety of sample footage on their site. And those are some free resources to download high quality footage to practice your color grading skills.